everybody. This is Mike and Ken, and we're from Jack of All Trades. This is our 2018 year in review, the wrap-up show. So we're going to tell you a little bit about what we've done this year and what's coming up. So I'm going to talk to Ken here and see what we've got coming up in the new year and kind of what happened in 2018.
Yeah, like we had some amazing jobs. We did some really cool work. We had super over-the-top happy customers. And what's so good about us is that it's like one-stop shopping. So you don't have to have 6 different people come into your place. We do the tiling, we do drywall, we do flooring, we do kitchens, we do bathrooms, we do basic renovations, decks, fences, you name it, everything.
Paint, yeah.
Paint, wallpapering,
Yeah,
everything.
what else?
We just kind of cover everything.
That's it.
So it just makes a lot of sense. It makes the job really fast, it makes it really affordable, and it's done right because you know the same person's doing it from start to finish. So anyway, coming up in the new year, we've got exciting stuff too.
Yeah, and follow us online on Instagram and on YouTube at Jack of All Trades, or you can see us on our website. It's JACK-ofAllTrades.ca. Thanks a lot.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and look forward to 2019. We'll see you then. Bye.